Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Chin Romance Garachano, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon at ngayong gabing to, tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga baraha. So this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. This reading is for the sign of Cancer yan. Cancer, 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 welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancer yan ang ating mahagilap? This reading is general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa akin channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. So, ito na guys. Angel Spirit, please give me information for the sign of Cancer yan. There's a Three of Cups. There's a celebration tea. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a Queen of Wands. There's a confident, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, maging confident ka, and of course, magkaroon ka ng stability, no? Sa sarili mo. And there is a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. Marami ka daw may gagawa o marami kang magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong ideas. No? And of course, there's a socialize with your friends. Okay. Kumbaga sinasabi daw dito na kailangan galingan mo. No? Kumbaga diyan ka magkakaroon ng bagong knowledge and bagong ideas. And of course, there's a star card. There's a new beginning and of course, a new fresh start. And the star card represent hope, miracles, and healing. So, magkakaroon ka ng wish fulfillment dyan at the same time. And of course, there is a Ten of Swords. There is a backstabbing. Or there is an information na parang faithful ending. Kumbaga, na matatapos na yung mga pighati or mga betrayal sa'yo. What is the Three of Cups? No, there's the Hermit card. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa iyo. May mga bagay na kumbaga magkaklaro sa iyo, no? Maaring makita mo ang parang makikilala mo yung mga traidor sa paligid mo. So what is the Three of Cups? And of course the Queen of Wands. So there is a Chariot card, no? Kumbaga there is a movement or there's a taking action. And there's information na parang kailangan mong galingan. What is the Queen of Wands? There's an Ace of Cups, no? Kumbaga, there is a new offer, new love life, new career, or there is a new romantic cycle begin. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na napaka-independent mong tao, no? Kumbaga, may grounds ka talaga. Mataas ang self-confidence mo, sinasabi sa'yo dito, dyan mo ma-attract tong tao na to. What is the Three of Cups and the Chariot card? Okay, there is an Eight of Swords in reverse. And of course, there's a partnership. Ibig sabihin dito, na makakawala ka na sa, kumbaga, third party involved. No? Kumbaga, makikilala at matatagpuan mo na ang deep soul connection and yun, unconditional love. So, what is the Queen of Wands? The Ace of Cups. Okay, there is a Queen of Swords. No? Information na marami ka na malalaman. Para maglilinaw to sa'yo na parang ikaw yung pinili. No? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito na ikaw yung pinaglaban at nilaban. So, what is the Page of Pentacles and the Star card? Okay. There is a Queen of Pentacles. There is a practicality. No, kailangan maging practical ka pagdating sa finances. There is a new fresh idea and new ideas. And of course, new insights. At the same time, there's a Ten of Wands. Na matatapos na obligations, matatapos na responsibilities. What is the Page of Pentacles? The Queen of Pentacles. Okay. There's a Knight of Swords and of course, the Devil card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a temptation, or there's an abusive, or there's an information na kailangan, huwag ka padalas-dalas, nagiging greedy ka dito, or huwag ka maging greedy sa isang situation, or sa isang, eksena, Ganon. Kumbaga, gusto mong i-manifest. Gusto mong gawin or may sa katuparan dito. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na wag mong pasukin yan at ilayo ka sa temptation. What is the Queen of, the Star card? The Ten of Wands. The Star card and the Ten of Wands. There's a Page of Swords. May kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Kailangan mo makakuha ng information. No? What is the Ten of Swords? There is a Seven of Wands, no? You are being protected, no? Kung sinasabi sa'yo dito na maraming traitor sa paligid mo at maraming taong gumagawa sa'yo behind your back. Pero sinasabi dito, you are being protected. What is the Hermit card? Okay, there is a Seven of Cups. There's an information na parang maraming oportunidad na papasok sa'yo. Maraming mag-offer sa'yo. What is the, there's a multiple options, no? And of course, there's a Ten of Swords, and of course, the Seven of Wands. There's a Six of Pentacles. Kumbaga, natapos na yung betrayal, natapos na yung deception, and of course, you are being protected. Kumbaga, uulanin ka ng biyaya. Magtutuloy-tuloy about sa finances. What is the Hermit card and the Seven of Cups? The Hermit card about the Seven of Cups. There is Seven of Pentacles. About dito sa information about dito sa opportunities, marami ka matutuklasan na ito magdadala sa'yo dito ng harvest time, no? Kumbaga madadagdag yung profit mo or kita mo dito. Or magkakaroon ka ng kumbaga madadagdagan yung resource of income mo. What is the total outcome? Maging maingat ka ha, at maging mahinahon, no? Maging maingat at maging mahinahon sa mga bagay-bagay. Huwag kang maging padalas-dalas at huwag kang maging kumbaga greedy, no? Para lang ma-manifest mo yon. No. There's an information na kailangan natin sumunod sa process and progress. May isa sa katuparan mo naman yan. Pero maging maingat ka mo lang, ha? And there's a Ten of Cups. There's a happiness and the ex coming back. Oh. Okay, thank you. Sinasabi dito sa'yo ng, kumbaga, listen to your intuition, listen to your gut feeling. Ang total outcome dito is the Strength card. Lakasan mo ang loob mo dahil there's a past person coming back into your life na magdadala sa'yo ng happiness. So, some of you, it's a friend, or it's a love, or it's kung asawa mo uuwi galing ibang bansa, o ikaw ay galing ibang bansa, uuwi ka ng Pilipinas, magkikita kayo ng person mo, ang asawa mo, or some of you, there's an ex from the past that coming back to your life. No? Babalik tong tao na to para patunayan at para iparamdam sa'yo ang tunay na tamis ng pag-ibig. Or, sabi, okay, what is the Love Oracle cards? What is the Love Oracle cards? Okay. Sinasabi dito, there's a clock, no? There's a time, there's a need time or takes time, no? And of course, there's a Cupid arrow. Ooh, pag tinamaan ng puso. 'Di ba? Ni Cupido. And of course, there's a mirror, no? There's kumbaga self-image or of course, like you. Sinasabi sa'yo na gusto ka nitong tao na to at mahal ka talaga ng tao na to. Baka asawa mo to or partner mo to, ha? What is the Love Oracle card? What is the Love Oracle card in your spirit? There's a communication and the inner truth. No, marami kang malalaman at marami kang matutuklasan. And if there's a truth reveal, no, marami kang malalantad na katotohanan. Wait lang guys, ha? Okay, sinasabi dito sa iyo guys, kumbaga kumbaga malalaman mo na, no? Yung mga bagay-bagay sa paligid mo. Ang daming revelasyon naman dito, T. And of course, there's friendship. No, kumbaga merong reason daw about sa friendship. Baka itong tao na to nakilala mo with your friends, or itong taon to makikilala mo with your friends. And there's an acceptance. No, may mga bagay na kailangan mong tanggapin. What is the chakra? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an expansion. Ooh, expansion. Tingin, mukhang may engagement dito. O, kumbaga, there's a partnership, no? Maaring magbuntis ka or maaring magkaroon ka ng panibagong eksena. And there's a perseverance. No? Tsaga-tsaga lang, tiyo. Kapag may tsaga, may nilaga. Or some of you, baka may mga mag-asawa dyan na hindi pa nagkakaanak. Baka sinasabi dito na magkakaroon na kayo ng anak, no? Kumbaga, tsaga-tsaga lang. What is the energy? The thinking woman. Meron dito na babaeng nag-overthink. No? And of course, sinasabi dito, T, na there's a victory and success, no? Magkakaroon ng victory dito, T. What is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? Okay, there is a guarded and protected. Ooh, being guarded and protected. Diba? Protektado ka, T. And of course, self-respect. Kailangan mo, syempre, kumbaga, magkaroon din ng respeto sa sarili mo. Baka nag-overpatig ka na, T. Or masyado mo pinipressure din yung sarili mo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? You are the light of the world. So, ikaw, some of you baka ilaw ng tahanan? Or ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag? What is the messages of life? Together in the light. Ooh, what is the light? I give thanks of all who enter my life. I understand that we all exactly who and where we are supposed to be, and everyone that contributes to each other growth and personal growth. Every reaction someone's grows for me is a gift from their soul to mine, meant to help me free me from my inner conflict. Today, by focusing on my own development rather than on others' flaws, I become one of the divine. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga alam mo lahat ng mga bagay sa paligid mo, tao man yan or situation, alam mo yan na kumbaga, konektado yan sa journey mo. Kumbaga, there's a life purpose that brings you into success in the near future. Kumbaga, alam mo yan, kumbaga, unti-untiin mo lang yan, tutuklasan at malalaman no anong kalagahan ng mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, kung hindi ka magtsatsaga at hindi mo pangahalagahan yung mga bagay sa paligid mo, hindi mo makakamtan yung expansion na gusto mo. Walang growth and development magaganap sa'yo kung hindi mo, kumbaga, kung hindi mo lalakarin yung road mo, and of course, hindi mo tutuklasan yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nalalaman. So, ibig sabihin, ang dami mong journey, ang dami mong ganap dito. Hindi lang about sa love life, hindi lang about sa career, hindi lang tungkol sa ibang tao, kundi para sa sarili mo. No, there's kumbaga inventory, discoveries, and there's an information na kailangan mo mag-growth, no, in your own divinity. So guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of August 15 hanggang August 21 for the sign of Cancerian. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!